This will be a speed test between the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium versus the iPhone X or the iPhone X, whatever you want to call this phone. Now the XZ2P, this one has the Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM. iPhone X has the A11 Bionic chip, 3 gigs of RAM. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the iPhone X. And we are in. There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Ooh, very close again. You guys be the judges. Camera. Ooh, I don't know, man. Really close. Calculator. Very close again. You guys be the judges. Clock on both phones. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Play Store and the App Store. Let's go. And give this to the XZ2P. Do a search for Lyft. And leave it on that page. PlayStation app, let's go. And give the Sony app to the iPhone X. It's kind of strange. eBay, let's go. And give this to the XZ2P. Click on this Beats headphones. Leave that in the background. Baseball app, let's go. And give this to the X. Chrome and Safari, go. Search for Amazon. Let's go. And give this to the XZ2P. Scroll through this, give you an idea. As you can see, much faster on the left. Safari really limits on how fast you can browse. Click on the full site of Amazon. And give this to the XZ2P also. Just finished on the progress bar on the iPhone. Pinch to zoom. Both are nice and butter. Leave that in the background. Super Mario Run, let's go. Loading on the XZ2P. And give this to the Sony boy. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the right though. Running the game. Subway Surf. Subway Surf, New York. And much faster on the iPhone, wow. Tap to play on both. And leave that in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Frozen Shadows. Loading on both. And the XZ2P is ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. And XZ2 Premium with a comeback. Tap to play and close it out. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. Sony boy out in front. Will the iPhone catch up? No, it does not. And give the win to the XZ2 Premium on this one. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the Sony boy first. And give the win to the XZ2. Instagram on both phones. Sony boy on this, and Snapchat, the Sony boy again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Now the Sony boy, the XZ2 Premium, has double the RAM of the iPhone. So let's see what happens. Instagram, good to go on both. CSR Racing 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Angry Birds 2, ready to go on both. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Subway Surf, and good to go on both. Mario Run, ready to play. Browsing on both, same place. Baseball app, and I think we have a delay here on the right. eBay on both phones. And a little bit faster on the left, PlayStation app. and faster on the left again. Play Store and App Store, and reload on the iPhone, clock on both phones, and both are still running the stopwatch. Calculator on both phones. There you go. The camera. I don't know, you guys be the judges. Messaging app, a little bit faster on the left, and the phone app, about the same. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone X or the iPhone X, whatever you want to call this phone, with a notch up top? Or are you a Sony boy rocking this XZ2 Premium, Sony XZ2 that came out earlier this year, Sony XZ Premium that came out last year? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.